How to get 9 boxes on TikTok Live. So if you want to get 9 boxes on your TikTok Live, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, now if you want to go live, if you want to have 9 boxes on your TikTok Live, then first you need to go with the bottom middle, which has that plus option, and from here you will have a live section. You need to tap on live and start your live. So once you tap on live, you will have this kind of interface. You can tap on go live, which is on the bottom, and you will be able to start your live, right? So once you're on your live section, you will have more option, which will be on the bottom right, or you will have a multi-guest option, which will be on the bottom left. You can go with any one of those options. Once you're on your option, you just need simply go with settings, which will be on the top right of that option, and under your settings you will have your layout. So you need to go with grid layout. So if you have a panel layout, then you need to select grid layout, which has 9 boxes in it. So if you want to get 9 boxes on your TikTok Live, then you need to go with the grid layout. Once you tap on grid, you will have your 9 boxes. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.